Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to easily change your voice during an Instagram voice call using an application called Voices AI. This is a very straightforward process that takes just a few moments to set up. To begin, head over to your device's app store and search for the Voices AI app. Go ahead and download it. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. When you open Voices AI, you will see a large selection of different voices. Take your time to browse the library and select whichever voice you prefer for your call. Aside from the preset options, you also have the ability to clone your own voice or generate a brand new AI voiceover. After you have chosen or created the perfect voice, simply leave the app running in the background. Next, open your Instagram app and start a voice call with anyone from your contacts. Because Voices AI is active, it will automatically intercept your microphone audio and change your voice in real time during the conversation. The person on the other end will hear the newly selected AI voice instead of your real one. It is a great way to add some fun to your conversations or maintain your privacy. You can always go back into the Voices AI app to try out different characters and styles. If this method worked for you and you found the tutorial helpful, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.